How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix OBS game capture not working in Valorant. So let's go ahead and open up a new OBS right here. And then simply to make this work, the first thing that you want to do for your Valorant is to just head over to the settings and make sure that it is on the full screen option. Now heading back to the display settings for our OBS, I'm going to create this game capture. So let's simply double click on it. You then want to select capture specific window, and then you want to select the Valorant Win64 shipping.exe. Click on OK. And from there, it should go ahead and start the capturing process. Now, in order for it to register to Valorant, you actually have to go ahead and navigate through Valorant first. You then have to click just for the OBS to actually recognize the game itself. And from there, as you can see, it works normally. And so if it did not work, you then want to head back to the properties once again. And for the window match priority, you then want to make sure that the match title otherwise find windows of same executable is turned on. And we have additional options right here. You could edit out the color space. Maybe the sRGB isn't supported. So click OK and you should be good to go. Once again, most likely it's going to be inside the actual setting. From time to time, OBS will have a hard time capturing Valorant when you set it into something like window mode or windowed capture or windowed full screen. So just make sure that you set it to full screen. And the other thing is that if you have different refresh rates for something like your Valorant, your desktop, and you're recording them all at once, it won't go ahead and recognize some of the applications open because it's different in refresh rate. And so that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.